Hello. At this point, you should have your demo interface ready, your printer connected, and the driver for the prolific cable, in case that you're using it, should be already installed. You should know the minimum requirements needed for the integration, and then you're ready for printing. So as you can see over here in the device manager, I have my printer connected right now. It's using the COM3. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the interface that we created on our step 2 to actually print out a document. But before that, I want to introduce you to another tool that we haven't named yet. Its name is called Serial Port Monitor. This is a very important tool that you'll be needing on the integration process. This software, you can download it from their site. They're called Edema Serial Port Monitor. And it's used for monitoring any data that is being sent on our serial port. So with this software, we'll be able to see what we are sending to the printer and also the responses of the printer. So we're going to go ahead and first we're going to download and install this software. And once you have it installed, we're going to click over here on New. We're going to select the COM that we're using. In this case, it's COM3, the one that my printer is connected to. We're going to check this checkbox called Dump View. And we're going to check this other one called Start Monitoring Now. We're going to start monitoring. Better maximize over here. And what we'll do, we're just going to minimize this for now. And we're going to go back to our form and we're going to execute it. We're going to go in debugging mode. Once we have it over here, we're going to select from our combo box the COM that we're using. We're using COM3. We're going to, first, let's just open the port. Once we have it open, we're going to go to our serial port monitor and let's check what happened in there. So as you can see over here in the serial port monitor, it shows you that the COM port has been opened and it tells you what application was the one who did it. So we're going to go ahead and minimize that. And now we're going to send a command. So remember that at the beginning we were talking about the protocols and commands manual. This is the manual that you're going to be needing at this step. So we're going to go ahead and open that one. You're going to check it all around, but in this example we're going to be printing the programming of the printer. So in this command we're going to get a no-sale document that prints the saved values for the parameters that you can see in this list. And the command is the D command in caps. So we're going to go ahead and try that one, right? Let's minimize over here, and on our interface we're going to type D on the text box and we're going to click send. As you can hear over there, the printer has printed out the programming link. It should have been printed out for you too. And we're going to check on the serial port monitor to see what happened. So as you can see here, it shows you in hexadecimal what was sent to the printer and also the response. Normally, when the printer responds 06 is an acknowledgement, and when it responds a 15 is a non-acknowledgement. So at this point, we consider the integration done, because we have already opened the port, closed port, and send commands to the printer. So all the other different functions that the printer uses are going to be handled by sending commands to the printer. So you're going to be using your library manual to check them all, and also the other important file will be the protocols and command manual.